Hey, what's up everybody? I'm Landon with LMR.com, and today we have Ricky's 1990 Mustang GT on the dyno. Ricky is one of our warehouse supervisors and oversees our wheel and tire and truck freight efforts, and he does a really good job for us. He did give me a mod list for his car and put a lot of work, a lot of sweat equity in this thing. So we'll start in the engine bay. It's Explorer intake, GT40 iron heads, trick flow valve springs, choppy little B-cam, 47-pound injectors, Vortech V2 S trim at 10 pounds of boost, BBK shorties, SV throttle body, Catalyst H-pipe, and Flowmaster catback. He is running a Mega Squirt ECU with a custom dyno tune. Still has the T5 in it, so our pull is going to be made in 4th gear, which is 1-to-1. Has a stock drive shaft, a 355 rear gear, and a 17-inch rear wheel at back, and there is 93 octane fuel in the tank. So make a quick trip around the car, make sure we're good to go. See what this thing will do. All right guys, this one's real good. Ricky is actually coming from a Powerdyne blower, and it made about 310 horsepower. And needless to say, we're excited. He's real excited for these results. 430 horsepower at 5,600 RPM and 408 pound-feet of torque at 5,000 RPM. So congratulations, Ricky. Thanks again for letting us dyno your car. And guys, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. To see more dyno videos, subscribe to our channel. Turn on notifications, that way you're notified every time we release something new. And until next time, for all things Fox Body, you're right here with the Real Enthusiasts, LMR.